The 2025 iPhone emerges from the future as a device that does not simply exist in the hand but lives there, breathing life into everything it touches. Crafted with surgical precision, its new liquid titanium body gleams under the soft touch of ambient light, shifting colors subtly like a living thing adapting to its surroundings. It feels almost impossibly light yet uncannily solid, as if it belongs to a dimension where strength and weight are no longer bound by the rules of physics. Holding it for the first time is like cradling a whisper, a piece of the future distilled into a perfect, tangible form. Every curve has been refined to be more organic, the edges flowing like water, and the back panel seems to melt into the sides without the faintest hint of a seam. The display, now called the Infinity Dynamic Display, stretches seamlessly from corner to corner, a fluid expanse of vivid colors and mesmerizing depth. Gone are the days of bezels and notches. Instead, the entire surface feels like a living canvas that responds to every touch with intelligent fluidity. It boasts a dazzling 8K resolution with an adaptive refresh rate that rises to a stunning 240 Hz when gaming or browsing and subtly dips to conserve energy when displaying static content. Touching the screen is like brushing the surface of a still pond, smooth, responsive, and infinitely deep. It can simulate textures with haptic precision so fine that one could feel the ripples of a digital waterfall or the fibers of a virtual canvas. The new A19 Bionic Ultra chip nestled inside is an engineering marvel, designed not only for speed but for conscious computing. It learns, it predicts, it adapts. With its neural fusion engine, the iPhone anticipates what the user needs before they even realize it themselves. Multitasking feels like conducting an orchestra of light and sound, everything responding with zero delay, infinite fluidity. Gaming on this device is not gaming as it used to be. It is immersion so deep that the boundary between the player and the experience evaporates into nothingness. Every detail from the subtlest shadow to the brightest explosion renders instantly, perfectly, and in eye-watering beauty. The camera system has evolved beyond mere photography. It is now a portal to memories crafted with supernatural clarity. The triple lens array, discreetly hidden under the back glass, features a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 10x optical zoom telephoto lens, and a revolutionary 3D spatial depth sensor. Night photography captures not just light but the very atmosphere of a moment, rendering city streets, candlelit dinners, and starry skies with breathtaking realism. Portrait mode produces